Hi and welcome back to How to Do Whatever. Today I'm going to do pride waves on my nails, and I'm starting off with some red and a really fine brush, just painting a wave line on my finger. I'm starting middle-ish on the finger. You can start anywhere, just have space to any side for the other colors. Just keep that in mind. And then go in with the second color, orange, and place it right next to the red. Just try and overlap a little bit so there is no gap at all in between the colors. So you just want to follow the previous line, place the colors evenly next to each other so no color is actually wider than the other. And then go in with the other colors, yellow, green, blue and purple, and just place them close by. Purple is the end color, it will finish off the nails, and I filled in the last white bit being left. You can actually just leave the last bit empty, but I thought it's prettier like this. And then I just finished off by actually just going around the edge with the color as well, so there is no white poking out. Just cover everything with a nice thick coat of glossy top coat. And there we go, that's the design. I hope you liked the video, subscribe for more, hit the bell button for notifications, and see you next time. Bye!